He's a sophomore. And we did a program with Richard Global Government. And here Brandon will kind of describe a little bit of what our program is about.
So, like a lot of people here, I came to them without an idea of what to do. And the thing, it was these shirts, and it said, we're not like ninjas on the back. And I'm like, we need to make it a game about ninjas. And we just kept thinking about it over and over. And he told me, like, what about if we went to Ninja Pink? And then I'm like, yeah, well, he's a bowling ninja. And then it's like, what if they're like in the Candyland? And then, like, they just kept calling up from there, and it turned out to be the game we made. The game is complete. We made it with 3 levels in mind. Yeah, it's a pretty easy game if you want to play it. It's so fun. And yeah.
So we did create a user-friendly game, and we faced quite a bit of challenges because we at our school we attend computer science classes where we program with Python. And what we decided to do something different, go into a different level with game design. So we decided to use Construct 2, which is completely new for us. So we were completely lost at the beginning, but slowly we all put our minds together, we asked questions and we looked for help, and we decided to get designs and put them into Construct 2. And then that was one of our biggest issues because we didn't know how to implement the design onto the Construct 2, but from there we kind of worked on it and we got it through. And then stressing out was one of our biggest issues because we wanted to make sure we finished on time. But otherwise than that, we kind of made it as a big buzz because we did finish on time, but it seems to all work really well. And combining our work because we all had different sections. I had to do the background, she did the characters, and he implemented all of the code, and then we all did it all together. So that was also as many of you might have experienced, that was damaged as well.
So a couple of things that we learned during COVID was how to come with different people and create something that you never knew you would be able to create, because I didn't think I was going to be able to create a game. We learned how to communicate with each other and work as a team instead of just thinking about ourselves and our own problems. We talked about our discussions in our group, some problems that we had, and we solved them as a team instead of one of us taking all the stress. And then we learned how to use constructs too, and I'm still a little shaky with it, but I'm kind of getting the concept, and trust me, it's like everybody says, it's a pretty easy program, but I mean, I'm used to Python and construct, so we just learned how to talk to each other.
I also got a nosebleed.
Our programs to study our demonstration, we all learned quite a few things. We learned how to work together in this great environment. We were able to talk to many great students, who are very intellectual and very willing to help us when we needed help. Everybody was, this is a great experience. This is my second time here, and I've enjoyed it even more. So I appreciate everyone who helped us, and I appreciate everybody who let us talk to you and just get to know you a little bit more. Oh, and we forgot the story. Okay, so there's a story about. So I don't know if you guys might see it. Well, this is a story about. You see it.
There once was a bubblegum ninja who loved to blow bubbles with gum. And then came Highness KK King and popped his gum bubble. Now go through the land, get your revenge. So this is stage one. Stage two.
They did all the graphics and everything for that.
Stage three. We'll never get my cake. And then everyone had cake.
For the judges on that, they were actually playing the game. That wasn't a video playback.
First of all, we want to clarify why we're doing that. It's because we drink a lot of soda, okay? So we were drinking all the soda and we decided to make a huge pyramid out of that because why not? And that's why we named ourselves the next thing. That's promise. Our game is form one. It has four us over here. So all we had to do was turn settings and stuff. And the games were tic-tac-toe and a type of battleship game where you search for the randomly hidden ships, and you have to choose what column or row you want to attack. If you failed a certain number of times, then you lost. And paper, rock, scissors, winner class. Paper, rock, scissors. For sure, everybody knows that. And it's also, we have tic-tac-toe, paper, rock, scissors, and
some of the times that we faced that we're having trouble balancing the clips. It took us a very long time, but we eventually got through. We also had trouble deciding which games to pick, because we only came up with tic-tac-toe and paper, rock, scissors by then, and then we just we got other ideas just from the teacher. We also had trouble on how to start up our game and figure some logic stuff. We had to debug most of our code to get it right.
Well, we learned cement is basically experiences that experiences that we're generated to forward or with team to create a program. But actually we did it individually, but at the last moment we just put it all together.
So what I'm going to do is use paper, rock, scissors, and then and it's going to be which choices I have. So first I'm going to put paper. So my first part is going to be one. So yeah.
But I mean, this, I think they did a good job with maybe 4 of them. Maybe more.
Yeah, as you can see, the axis and circle for the finally came to a conclusion. So, congratulations. That's all.
So the first special award that we chose was the Food to You app. So great job, you guys have a really great project.
Damn graphics.